Welcome everyone. Thank you for trying out our program. This introduction is for the level 1 of our course. Remember that this is an intense program structured for those who have already taken another course, such as Rosetta Stone, Pimsleur, Fluency, basically anything you see on Udemy, anything that's for beginners. If you are a beginner, please start with our basic program. The screen you see displayed here shows the QR code for our free app. The free app contains our entire basic program for free. So no need to purchase anything else for the basic program in case you're a beginner. On Udemy, our level 1 course is divided into 10 separate stories, each story with 10 lessons. Each story builds upon the information learned in the previous 10. So in previous stories. So if we have story 1 through 10, if you start at 9, you're going to be missing out on everything 8, 7, 6, 5. So even though it's a unique story, it is going in order in your learning as you go along. So for example here, our A through J is our basic program, so that's just an introduction. Our 1 through 10 is just a review, just slightly faster paced, slightly more difficult than our introduction, than our basic program. But it's still not exactly a story, it's more simple conversations. Our next one, 11 to 20, that's a story revolving around being in a restaurant. And you build upon what you learned in the first 10. And the third story is being at a park. And so even though they're being at a restaurant and being at a park is not related, you are learning different verbs, different idioms, different expressions. So it's building upon each. I'm only showing the first 5 stories, but there are going to be 10 stories on Udemy shortly, within a week or so. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or concerns, you could start a discussion, but everything should be pretty self-explanatory. The free app does not contain the level 1. It's only the basic. But again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.